Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit Google Docs. So here I've already on a Google Docs apps on my phone, and I'm going to just open one of the file. For example, this one's right here. Okay, so here you can see, if you click on the file, you can find the cursor and you can edit the page. So what you need to do to edit the Google Docs file here, you first need to click on the pencil icon at the bottom right here, and then when you click on that, the editing, what is it called, it will appear like this, and you can just make some edit, and you can also add image by clicking on this, add image, comment, and footnote, and etc. So you first need to click on the pencil icon to be able to edit a file on Google Docs. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye.